Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter pressure, and in this part our topic is Brahma press. Before that we'll recall the Pascal law, that is Pascal law has two conditions. First is it should be in rest, and second is connected. It should be connected. Pascal's law states that an increase of pressure at any point in a liquid at rest is transmitted without change to every other point in the liquid, that is equally in all directions. After that, the application of Pascal's law, that is Brahma press. Brahma press purpose is that generation of a force of greater magnitude by applying a force of smaller magnitude. Description of the apparatus. First, a container like this, filled with fluid, CD. This is first small area, this is second area. Here if a car is placed or anything, and here a small, any weightage, X, Y. So consider two cylinders C and D of the area of cross sections A, small a and capital A respectively, joined together by a horizontal tube T. This is a horizontal tube T. Let the tube be filled with water and then fitted with airtight pistons X and Y. This setup of apparatus is called Brahma press. So, activity and understanding of this is: place a weight of W gram weight on the smaller piston X. This produces a pressure and let it be P1, pressure 1. We know pressure is equal to thrust upon area. Pressure acting on the piston X in downward direction is pressure 1 is equal to W upon small a. According to Pascal's law, this pressure is transmitted in all directions equally. Now the pressure from C is transmitted to D through the tube T. This pressure acts on piston Y in an upward direction and is equal to pressure P1. That is, P2 is equal to P1, but the pressure on piston Y is P2 is equal to thrust upon area is equal to upward thrust upon area of cross section at D. Therefore, P2 is equal to upward thrust upon capital A. but we know P2 is equal to P1. Upward thrust upon capital A is equal to W upon small a. After that, upward thrust on piston Y is equal to capital W upon small a into a gram weight. From this equation, it is clear that the thrust on the large piston can be increased by increasing the capital A by small a ratio. After that, there is a definition. It says that we arrive at a very important principle that a small thrust can be multiplied into a big thrust. It is a small thrust can be multiplied into a big thrust. Brahma's press principle is used in hydraulic machines like that, and there are many examples for understanding these laws, but we will learn them in next part. We'll learn the two important points and we'll solve a question based on it, and I hope they will be easy for you. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. And thank you for watching.